Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to 1st January. Today is not just a new year for me. Today is a new beginning. I'm starting something very simple but very powerful. I'm choosing to show up every day. No big promises, no perfection, no perfect plans, just one decision. Consistency over perfection. If you are watching this video, maybe you are also thinking of starting something new this year. So stay with me till the end because this video is not about motivation only. It's about real life. Why I am recording this video. Let me be honest with you. I was thinking a lot before recording this video. What should I say? Will my English be perfect? Will people judge me? What if I make mistakes? And then I realize something very important. People who are doing something are always better than people who are only thinking. So, today, instead of waiting to be perfect, I decided to start. This channel is not about something showing perfection. This channel is about progress, confidence, and growth. The pressure of perfect start. Many of us delay our dreams because we think I'll start when my English becomes fluent. I'll start when I become confident. I'll start when everything is ready. But the truth is, everything becomes ready only after you start. Confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes because of action. Even today, while recording this video, I'm not 100% confident, but I am 100% committed. Why daily videos? Why daily videos is not that too difficult? Yes, it is difficult, but difficult things change us. Daily videos mean daily practice, daily improvement, daily courage, daily learning. Some days my video will be good, some days they will be average, and some days, honestly, they might be bad. But even bad videos are better than no videos because every single video is a step forward. This channel is for real people. This channel is for people who are scared to speak English, people who feel shy in front of the camera, people who think I'm not good enough, people who want to improve but not know where to start. If you relate to even one of these points, then trust me, you are not alone. I'm also on the same journey. We are not here to impress anyone. We are here to express ourselves. Mistakes are not the enemy. Let me tell you something very important. Mistakes are not your enemy, silence is. Every mistake you make while speaking English is proof that you are trying. People who never make mistakes are usually people who never try. So if I make grammar mistakes, if I pause, if I repeat sentence, I'll still continue because growth is noisy, uncomfortable, and imperfect. A message for you. If you are watching this on 1st January, I want to ask you one simple question. What is that one thing you are delaying because of you are afraid? It is speaking English, starting a YouTube channel, learning a new skill, believing in yourself. This year, don't wait for motivation. Choose discipline. Even 10 minutes a day can change your life if you stay consistent. What you can expect from this channel? On this channel, you can expect real conversations, honest speaking, daily English practice, confidence building content, no fake motivation, only real talk. Some days I'll share their stories, some days I'll talk about confidence, some days just simple thoughts like this one. Because growth is not always dramatic, sometimes it is very quiet. So, this is my promise to myself and you to you. I show up even when I feel lazy, even when I feel nervous, even when I feel imperfect. And if you want to grow with me, you are most welcome here. Thank you for being a part of my video one. This is just the beginning. See you tomorrow, same place, one more step forward.